Doing a few things in my yard and changing my sheets. Sunday home reset. Hi, I'm Sharon, and my YouTube channel is Sharon Chernigal. And I'd like to thank you for clicking on this video. And if it's your first time here, I sure hope you subscribe. And hello to all my regulars. So, I have been very tired lately. I had what's known as a crash when you have chronic fatigue. And I was in bed for at least 2 days and just in and out of bed for the rest of the week. And today I felt well enough to get up and shower and get ready for the day and hopefully get some things done. So, we are going away on the weekend, so I am filming my Sunday home reset earlier than usual. We're leaving tomorrow. We're going to our daughter's, and I just have a few things in the yard I want to do, and hopefully get my bed changed and stuff. So that's what we're going to be up to today. And I can't remember if I said this is a Sunday home reset. I think I said I'm going to do this Sunday home reset early, which it is. It's Thursday today. And thank heavens it's a nice day and it's not raining. It's been raining here for most of the time that I've been in bed, which was kind of nice because I hate it when it's nice out and I can't be outside. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick up the dog do in our yard, and then I'm going to do a few other little things in the yard, and then we'll move into the house. So welcome to my Sunday home reset, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's get busy. Well, everybody talks about doing real stuff, making it real. Well, this is as real as it gets at our house. We have 2 dogs and our lawn is their bathroom. So I am doing my daily duty, just picking up the doo-doo. Anyhow, it's all part of the life here at my home. And I'd like to thank you for clicking on this video. And if you like my content, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe, and of course leave me a comment. I'd love to know where you're from. Okay, the birds are enjoying the bird feeder. I'm just going to move it out a little bit so it doesn't bang against the fence. This has got old bird seed in it. Just a minute, I think my dog got out. It wasn't my dog, it was a black and white cat. Oh, well, you can see me or not. Anyhow, this is old bird seed, and they go to it, but then they go away from it. So I'm taking it for granted that it's no good, so I'm going to dump it out and fill it with fresh. And then I'll refill this one. So I'm going to go dump this one, and then we'll come back and refill. I'm just going to put this one in our green bin. I think it should be okay. I have a very lovely neighbor, and I know I mentioned in a video probably months ago that she gave me, well, actually she was in the video, out in the front yard, and she asked me if I wanted some bird seed, and I said yes I do. And so she gave me this great big huge bag of bird seed that I'm just finishing off now. And so I've been feeding the birds all winter and most of the spring and summer. So got my yard cleaned up good now. So I've got my bird feeders back out and the birds are loving it. And I said earlier that this bird feeder had old seed in it, so the birds weren't eating it. But I put new seed in and they still weren't going to it. And so I looked at the bird feeder when I hung it back up, and every time they stepped on the little foot thing, it closed. So it was broken. So I fixed it so it permanently stays open. So now they can both have the bird seed. And they're using both feeders. Okay, I've got the bird feeders filled. Well, I guess I feel it's okay. There's no big spill. Okay, I'm going to move this out of it. Oh my goodness, that's really in there. Okay. Just gonna move it out so that it doesn't hit the fence. And the birds will get all over it. That's going to be pretty good. Yeah, that sticks out a bit more. Hope that's better. And the bird bath seems okay. Birds are waiting for their food. I'll be looking for some water later. Not rest. Rest. This one doesn't. Okay, get some water. Might put. They'll be okay. That's not a sunflower, that's a weed. Let's give these some water. It's been raining and raining and raining. That area looks like it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blooms on it. Pretty droopy looking, so give it a good drink. The daisies are always hardy. I'll get my new fern back here. Give them all a good drink. Well, my neighbor also gave me a bunch of suet packs, and I don't know if they have an expiry date on them or not, but I decided I'm going to stick some out there and just let the birds enjoy them, because I have quite a few and I'm afraid I don't want them to go bad. I could probably freeze them, they'd be fine, but whatever. I'm going to put them out there because I know the birds love them, and they are going to enjoy every bit of what I put out to feed. Okay.
Well, we can't put it up without
I know.
base.
I know. This is our big new umbrella. But it didn't come with a base, so we have to go get a base. I love the color. Where's the cap for this? Oh, that must be it with the solar. That's fine. Right, and it's like 3 umbrellas in one. So, anyhow, we can't set it up, but I just thought I'd show you anyhow. I love the color, it's pretty, and it'll be nice for shade out here once we get a base. Okay. Okay, as you can see, I am in our bedroom, and I am looking forward to climbing into bed tonight with nice clean sheets. I have spent a few days in this bed, and it will be nice to have fresh sheets on the bed. Okay, let's get busy and get these sheets done. And if you're liking this content so far, how about a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and saying hello. Tell me what you're doing in your day and how you've been feeling. Okay, let's get these sheets changed. Okay, everyone, watch. Did you see what I did? I can't believe I did that, but I did, and it worked. So I just kept doing it. I got the bed frame dusted, and I'm very proud of myself. Okay, let's get on with this. I'm gonna let the bed air out a little bit before I put clean sheets on it, make it up again. And yeah, I can feel how exhausted I am. I know people without chronic fatigue, I don't know if they can understand how I feel or not, but anyhow, it takes a while to come back from a crash, usually a good couple of weeks, but at least I'm managing to get this much done in this video. And I am just taking all day long. I'll get my sheets changed and then I'm going to start some laundry because I need some things clean to take with us. So I keep looking to the side there because I can see some dirty clothes that I will pick up and get put in the laundry. And I'll get the laundry done this afternoon and I'll probably lay down and have a nap. Anyhow, I'm doing okay. We'll just keep going. That's all you can do when things like this happen. Okay, we'll get this bed made after it airs out. I don't know, probably give it a good half an hour or so just to breathe. So as usual, my hubby helped me put the fitted sheet on, and so he stayed in because he knows I'm very tired and he's helping me get this sheet on too. So we will get this bed made, and then I believe I lay down and have a nap. Anyhow, let's just finish up the bed. These are nice soft sheets. Okay, thanks. Well, I struggled a bit with this duvet, getting it in the cover all straight, but I did get it in there. I didn't show you all my struggles, but tell you, it played me out good. So, we're going to get this bed put together so it looks pretty again. I always feel good when my bed is all made up, nice and clean. And the covers are all straightened out, so when I get into it, it's very comfortable. Okay, let's get the rest of those covers and pillows and stuff on my bed and see what else I get into. Well, I went and got some blue pillowcases to put on, and then I discovered, after I got one on and went to put the other one on, that they're actually two different blue colors. I have two sets of blue sheets. So I had to go back to the cupboard and get the right blue pillowcases. And I did that and came back. So they're just figuring out that I got the wrong pillowcases. Silly old me. Okay, so now I'm gonna go get the right ones, and we'll get back to putting this bed together. I mentioned that we're going to stay at our daughter's house, and it's for very exciting reasons. Well, we're going to take care of their senior dog. And of course we'll have our senior dog, so we'll be on senior dog duty. And they are moving their son to a different city, and he is starting a new job. So this is all very exciting for all of us. Yes, they grow up so fast. And my husband and I have had the privilege of watching this young man when he was first born, and now he is going to be 24 in September, so we know you'll have a great life, Idris. I decided that this basket needed some flowers and some greenery in it. I took the fern out and I put it in my basket on my gate, and I really like it there. And so I decided in this basket I would put a doily and a couple of big mums, white mums, and some variegated leaves. And I think it turned out quite pretty. If you enjoyed it, I got the stuff done in my yard that I wanted to get done, and I got the bedding, the sheets on my bed changed into nice clean sheets, and I'm going to do some laundry, but I'm not going to film that. So I'm just going to go put a load in and get started. Okay, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in my next video, which will be a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And I might be at my daughter's doing one. Okay, bye.